everyone, this is going to be a short video to show you what I have been working on today, which is the Global Virtual Design Sprint draft template, and it's just going to be a short section of it, and I thought you guys may be interested to see how some of the decisions were made, and so yeah, enjoy! Okay, so what you're seeing here is a brainstorm mural that I created probably just a week ago. And there was some notes that is from Robert, and there are things that I was testing and trying. And also you can see there's like a lot of ideas and basically anything that I came across my mind during the week, and I just dropped them here. But the problem was there was no categorization, so right now what I'm doing is just putting them into different categories, and by doing that at the same time I was able to read them better, and then I as a reminder of what I actually need to be concerned or think about when I'm doing the template itself. So the real work begins. I created the new mural here for the template, and the first thing that I wanted to do was to use the new logo, because what I missed last time in the template, that was because there was no logo on there. So that was the first thing I wanted to do. And here you see I was trying to look for some icons to represent things that is online and things that can be done offline. And in the end I chose the computer thing as the online together, and like a homework kind of icon to be the offline icon there. Then I copy some of the content from last template, and here I'm trying to create some of the not so common shape here, and then I soon realized it was really hard to eyeball the colors, so instead I went to Photoshop, dropped the logo there, and then I used the eyedropper and then got all the hex code from that logo, and then I add them to the mural so that it creates like a color palette for myself to easier to work on. Here still working on the shape. It's a little bit tricky because there's no pen tool in mural, so I had to combine a few different basic shape to make that special shape there. And I wanted to make it a little bit cool this time, so I thought I would put in a background, but the problem was that the background was way too dark. So then I put in like a translucent shape on top of it to tone it down a little bit. Then I created this module on the left, and it's going to be mainly the instructions that is relevant for the participants as well. And at this moment I was trying to cut down some of the text, because the shorter the text it is, the better it's going to be. And I thought one of the things is to do the how may we in this section here, but not everyone knows what how may we means or what that is supposed to be, so that I grabbed like a video from AJ Smart on YouTube, and then I put it in there as well, so people, when they don't know what it is, they can always just watch the video from there. And then I thought I would make them as modular as possible, so you see I'm trying to make one section for each interview there, so when you have like 2 different interviewees, then you can just copy the whole group, paste them like what I was doing there. And you can also see I was using the outline on the right side there that put in some of the instruction that is just for the facilitator. And here I decided that I want to separate the online and the offline section a little bit more further away, even though they are the same exercise, but they are 2 different parts. So I moved it into the end. Again, I made it as a group, so you can easily just copy the whole group as needed and move the whole thing down if you have more interviewee that way. Again, instruction just for the facilitator, so copy the how my reads from above. So yeah, just moving things around to tidy them up a little bit, and then in the end I send everything to the outline so that it's one group there. You see on the outline the second section is more indented. And here's the final first draft of the template. And as you see, when you click on the first tab on the outline, then it goes to the big view. And then when you zoom in, on the left side is the instructions that is for the participant, as well a little bit hint for the facilitator. And then on the right side here, you can see they are grouped by interviewee. And down here is the online section. And then here I prepare some of the cards so that the participants can easily just click on the cards and start writing. And you see, if I click on one of those indented thing on the outline, then it jumps to the section where actually has the instructions for the facilitator. So there it is. And to use it, you basically just copy the whole thing on the top head outline, which is the number 1 thing. And then you hit Command C to copy, and then Command V to paste to your new mural, or if you want to create a new section. You see, that's what I did there, and then the whole group just got copied there. So obviously I don't really want that here, so I decided to remove it from this template. And then it asked me if I want to just remove the area, which is just the outline itself, or the whole thing. So yeah, that's it.